Who are we? The birds!
Say hi.
Hello.
This is David trying his best not to fall.
I have to do it again, I nearly fell.
And I totally enjoyed it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Bobby Lex and I'm taking you along on my journey in Canada. In this video, we are diving into some of the most exciting parts of Orientation Week: snow adventures, ice skating, skiing, and more. If you haven't seen my previous videos, make sure to check them out after this one. Now let's get into it. First up, ice skating. The school had already organized a bus for us, so we met up at campus and headed out.
You slide. You slide. You slide. You slide. These are the faces of slides. So this is the main one. No, you guys left me.
When we finally got there, it was snowing heavily, but the temperature actually felt better than I expected, and then we were just having fun in the snow.
He said one day you'll leave this one behind the way. So live a life you will, live and die. Well, my mommy told me when I was just a child, these are a night and never die. My daddy told me well.
I'm the pink teddy in the snow.
That's what's up.
Hey, we gonna ski to the snow.
That's right.
Then we heading back to the class.
Don't play it now.
Life is good. Life is good. Life is good.
Life is good.
We had to pick out our skating shoes, and let me tell you, finding the right size was a struggle. But once we were all laced up, it was time to hit the rink.
Shit, I can't do this. Don't fall. Hey guys, going far from David. There's David. It's me. Skating. Yeah. David is back there. Trying to walk. Okay, so this is David trying his best not to fall. And that's Yug. This is me, Gunang. Okay, you see them both colliding.
At first, I was trying not to fall, but after a few minutes, I got the hang of it. I guess some of my friends were total pros, while others, well, let's just say they spent more time on the ice than on their feet. After skating, we had a full-on snowball fight. We were just playing like kids, throwing snow at each other, laughing. It was pure fun.
Bro, where's that girl?
Say hi.
Hello. This is an ice rock.
It's it's so heavy.
Drop there.
Hola. Wow. Filippo recibe la bola. Boom.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Hard rock is
Wow.
I got belted.
Not me. Voila! Oh, nice.
Yeah, you're doing it on landscape.
Yeah.
Come here. Oh my god.
આપણે હવે ટર્મિનલ ઉતરી જઈએ ત્યાંથી બસ લઈ લઈએ ઘરે હવે we did our first ice skating and it was like horrible experience, but we had fun.
We have to try it again.
Yeah, we fell many times and it hurt bumps. Hurts are hurting so much.
I was concentrating on not falling.
Yeah.
I was trying so hard not to fall.
Yeah. So we
How was your ice skating experience?
quite nice. Actually, quite nice.
How many times did you fall?
Why do you need to know that?
It's a good thing you didn't fall just as much as this guy. Oh my god, yeah. You are the master of fall. You're like she's the only one that didn't fall like fully. She's like our trainer. Like she's just like a trainer, yeah. Professional. Like how can you do something for the first time and then you're so good at it already?
Talent, you're born with it and then you cultivate it.
Oh wow. Word.
And that was my first ever ice skating experience. Honestly, it was a mix of fun, struggle, and a little bit of chaos, but totally worth it. But guess what? This was just the beginning. In part 2, we take things a whole new level, hiking through deep snow, learning to ski for the first time, and even getting a taste of Canada's favorite maple syrup. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in part 2.